Couple repairs. It's pretty shitty. Fuck, that makes it pop. Alright, bucko. Don't do this. Fuck! Fuck it. The back. Dude. Fuck yeah. It was like in hella ghetto if that fucking thing broke. And now this should probably be super glued back on too. Everything in these cars are just held with super glue. I'm supposed to pull it into the shade though. So rip this cover off, and then we can just torque them. Hell yeah. All these are hand tight. Wow. No wonder it's burning oil. Here comes the nasties. The other one fell off too. Fuck. Seems a bit of a bitch to work on, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, 82. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 4. Alright. Oh yeah. 1. Heat cycling. Definitely need to do that. I'll probably do.
Jody's been arrested.
Brake. Vacuum. Fuel line. Fuel pressure regulator. Overall, it's pretty simple. Simple engine. Well, here's a desperate attempt at a fix. Oh, it does. It's gonna leak between these two now. Fucking Momo. Whatever. Go and try to get this little stupid hood notch jammed down here. Me. Let it dry for a little bit and we'll go for a drive. Alright guys, the maiden voyage to the storage unit after the head retorque. I'll hit him out today. The cooling fan's working on its own. But I think it's just the small side. You hear the water pumping. You feel it pumping through these hoses. They're not too hard. That one's perfect. I was just really concerned about this thing overheating or fucking the small cooling fan's working, but I got the big one coming. Can't get the big one to fire again. Worked for like a day. Piece of shit. He's such a good boy. I don't ever have to worry about him. Booty bump it. That's just gonna have to do. You ready, buddy? Let's go home. Let's go home. We're gonna go home, buddy. If we take the highway, I'll try to run the AC and see if that works. Love you. Come on, buddy. Thank you. Load up there. As soon as we get the highway, I'll hit the AC for us.